Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put line around an image in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Microsoft Publisher document. Now we want to put line around an image. At first, insert an image. Go to the insert menu. Click the pictures option and choose picture from our file. Now I select this. Then click insert. Then click the picture. Go to the picture format menu. Then click wrap text option. Choose none. Then move the picture some down. Now we want to put line around this picture. Go to the picture borders drop down menu and choose any color. Now I select the red color. Then click outside of the picture. And we can see we put a line around this image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.